Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of ChatGPT Autoclose. On ChatGPT app you will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about ChatGPT and you will click. Here in this page you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. Here you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of ChatGPT. Then you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget